So let me show you step by step how to turn off download option in Google Drive. So the first thing you should do, one, find the file that you want to share. So let's say I want to share this video or even a folder. Just right click on the file. After you right click on the file that you want to share, go to share button and then go to share again. After you go to share, now you click on this restricted and then you select this anyone. So after it finish loading, now you click on this view. Now you select this viewer. So now you click on this settings. So now you uncheck this editor. So after you uncheck these two options, then you click on this back. After you click on this back, then you click on this copy link and then done button. So now you copy the link of the file. So next thing you should do now, if you share the link with the person cannot be able to download the file, but the file would open for him. So let's try. Let me show you how it works. Now if I open a new tab in my browser, let's say like this one. So now if I paste the link like this, and if I press enter to see the file, so now as can see now, as I play now the link in the new tab, as can see now I can be able to view the video, but there's no download option in the video. So that's it guys on how to share video, how to share anything in Google Drive without download. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.